Got a leaky, rusted, or just plain ugly tub drain? Great news! This is one of the simplest repairs in your entire house, and you can skip the plumber. Welcome back to Plumbing Fix USA, the channel where we break down home plumbing repairs step by step, so you can skip the expensive service call and get it done yourself. Today, I'll walk you through picking the right replacement drain, safely removing the old one without cracking your tub, and sealing the new one so it stays leak-free for good. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify your drain. Before you head to the store, figure out what you've got. Tub drains typically come in two sizes, 1/3/8 inch fine thread or 1/12 inch coarse thread. Measure your existing drain so you buy the correct match. Check your overflow plate too. Some have a single hole, others have two. And make sure your new kit lines up or includes the right adapter. That overflow plate sits behind the tub and catches water if the tub overfills, sealed in place with a foam or rubber gasket. The drain itself screws in with a washer underneath, sealed against the tub with either plumber's putty or silicone. Everything drains down into the trap, which keeps sewer gas from backing up into your bathroom. Step 2. Remove the old drain. Pull off the pop-up stopper first, then plug the drain hole so nothing falls in while you remove the overflow plate screws. For the drain itself, grab a tub wrench. It catches all 4 crossbars at once, reducing your chances of snapping one. If the crossbars are already broken or missing, a drain extractor tool bites into the brass and backs it out with a ratchet. While everything's apart, replace both gaskets even if they look fine. They're likely dried out and no longer sealing properly. Step 3. Install and seal the new drain. Slide the new washer on from underneath the tub, not the top. That's a mistake a lot of people make. A flat blade screwdriver can help ease it into position. Take it slow to avoid cracking the tub. Apply a bead of plumber's putty or silicone around the underside of the drain flange. Don't worry about overdoing it. The excess will squeeze out once it's tightened. Thread the drain in by hand first to prevent cross-threading, then tighten with a wrench. Wipe off the excess sealant, drop the stopper back in, and reattach the overflow cover, tightening the screws in a crisscross pattern so the gasket seals evenly. Finally, fill the tub and watch for bubbles or a dropping water level. That's your leak test. If this video helped you out, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Plumbing Fix USA for more fixes like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.